You know, equity futures have been pointing higher for 48 hours before the start of trading today. And then, well, we got word of a deal between Saudi Arabia and Russia to freeze oil production, and that gave the bounce a turbo injection. Now, interestingly enough, the oil actually slipped because there is a difference between a freeze and a cut. Plus, don't forget, Iran is still something of a wild card. But stocks, they did hit an unforeseen wall in the form of communications from Neil Kashkari in his first speech as president of the Minnesota Fed. Now, the topic was breaking up the big banks before they spark an economic meltdown. Now, his solutions include breaking up large banks into smaller ones and then taking those real big banks and making them public utilities, and finally, taxing leverage throughout the financial system. Now, the fact that the guy who also ran TARP and was the Republican nominee for governor of California sounds like Bernie Sanders, that knocked a couple of points off the rally. Nevertheless, stocks did regain their footing. And I got to tell you, even purists are probably ready to entertain a notion there should be a preemptive strike on the banks. Certainly, at the very least, the American public should never have to bail those banks out again. So stocks are still oversold, but listen, we're not out of the woods yet, but there were some interesting winners in the consumer discretionary area. Wynn, up big time. Under Armour, Harman, those kind of names should be doing well with cheap gas. We'll see if that happens again tomorrow.